Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will share an honest and unbiased review for the Dub Copy Trading app. So, I've been using the Dub Copy Trading app for a while now, and I will go over its features, risks, and things to consider. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how the Dub app works. The Dub app promotes itself as a platform that allows users to mirror the investment strategies of well-known figures, including politicians, hedge fund managers, and top traders on social media. Some of the main features of Dub Copy Trading app includes simple account setup through which you can start trading quickly, one-tap portfolio copying through which you can follow experienced investors effortlessly. Also, real-time updates through which you can monitor your portfolio performance as it happens. Also, the app has a beginner-friendly interface designed for both new and seasoned investors. The app has received praise for its easy-to-use design and how simple it is to copy investment strategies. Many users find the quick setup and the ability to follow expert portfolios convenient. However, some users have faced issues during verification, especially when trying to deposit more funds. Others have reported withdrawal delays, particularly during high market volatility, which can lead to unexpected losses. Dub is available on iOS devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Its interface is clean and easy to navigate, allowing users to explore different portfolios and investment strategies. The app also includes community features where users can discuss investments and share insights. However, it mainly focuses on copying existing portfolios, which may not appeal to users looking for more customized investment options. Overall, the Dub app provides a straightforward way to explore copy trading, especially for beginners. However, it's important to be aware of potential verification delays and withdrawal issues. As always, do your own research and consider speaking with a financial expert before investing. If this review helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.